Hello, welcome to our channel. On today's video I will show you how you can change your birthday on TikTok. So since you can change your birthday on signed in account, so I'll just show you the option. All right, so here's my TikTok account. So this is the home page of my TikTok account. Yeah, it's quite lots of funny content is over here. All right, so tap on me option, then go through the edit profile. For now I'll just go through the sign out option. I'll just logged out, so I'll make it confirmed. Alright, so I'm now logged out of my account. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll just hit again on the me option. Alright, so I'll just go for switch another account. So I'll pick the first one, sign up with phone or email. Alright, so okay, so once I tap on that, the first thing that I need to do is I have to pick up my birthday. So that's here you can change your birthday. Suppose you are born, you can pick the month, you can pick the day, and even you can pick the year. Alright, so let's put it like March 15, 1992. Alright, then I will just tap that. Then you have to enter your phone number, or you can just directly use your email. So there is no option for change your birthday on signed in account for TikTok. What you need to do is you just need to log out, then you have to go through the sign up option, then you can pick your birth date over here, and that's how you'd be able to change your birthday on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.